Yeah, good evening, sir. In the last videos, we are talking about the rotations, how you can able to rotate the arrays. Okay, array rotations we are discussing. So there are two types of rotations are there. One is nothing but left rotation, how you can able to rotate, and the next one is nothing but a right rotation. These two things we have seen. So theoretically, I explained how you can able to do that. And for this, there are n number of ways are there. Okay. So in that, the first way is nothing but brute force approach. In this brute force approach, what we are doing, sir, we are taking one previous variable and one temporary variable. By using these, we are performing shifting operation. Sir, how we can able to do that? How you can able to do that in detail we have seen in the last videos, sir. Okay, now, sir, there are few more approaches are there. Today we are going to talk about those. The next approach, second approach, what we have here is, sir, by using sir, temporary variable. Okay, by using this temporary variable also, so we can able to do this rotation. Okay, directly I will take the example. So the first example what we have here is, I want to rotate, just a minute, I will take this skeleton. Right. So here, as usual, I am taking the elements, array elements like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are asking enter number of rotations. We are reading this, and before doing the rotation, these are the elements what we have. And rotate right. Sir, by using which method? Or rotate left? First, we will rotate left by using this temporary variable. Okay, by using this temporary variable like this, I will take. Okay, so we are going to define this rotate left function by using this temporary variable, and we have to write code for that. Okay, rest of the things are not required. Okay, so let us see how we can able to develop this one. Okay, how you can able to develop this one, we will see now. So listen carefully. In this case, we are taking the help of temporary variable. Okay, how we are going to take the help of temporary variable? For example, if I have array like this, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I have array like this, so I will take one temporary variable. Since it is the left rotation, first I am taking the first element, that I am going to store it in the temporary variable. So next what we have to do, we need to move this to the end, right? That's why, sir, I will do the rotations. I will move 2 to here, I will move 3 to here, and I will move 4 to here, and I will move 5 to here. Then this position will be copied by this temporary variable, so that what will happen, the output what I am going to get is 3, 4, 5, 1, something like this. This is the first rotation. Suppose if you want to do one more rotation, then we have to copy the temporary variable, first element. We have to copy, and again we have to do shifting operation for second rotation. Like this you have to do. Sir, what will happen? Sir, here we are going to get a 3, 4, 5, and then 1. And at last we will copy this, which will become like this we have to do. Sir, since it is the left rotation. Sir, if you take right rotation, what will happen? If the elements are like this, sir, then you have to copy the last element into temporary variable, which will become 5. Sir, next what we have to do? Sir, we need to move in this direction. Okay, we have to move all the elements in this direction. So that what will happen? The last element is going to be copied with the temp. So that we will get, sir, 5. Okay, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay, this is the way how you can able to take left rotation and right rotation by using this temporary variable. By using this temporary variable, how we are going to do, it is very clear for you people, I think so. Sir, can you please confirm, do you have any doubts in this temporary variable rotation? Theoretically, can you please confirm? If it is clear, I will go with implementation. Sir, is it clear for everyone? requesting every student to please confirm. Right, right. So let us see here how we can able to do. Sir, here also, as usual, I am updating the R value. R is equal to R percentage A dot length. Listen carefully. So what are the required variables I need? Sir, temporary variable is required, and also I is required, and then J. So initially, so I am going to take the number of iterations. I is equal to 0, I less than R, I plus plus, number of iterations. In every iteration, what we are doing, first we have to copy the 0th location, because the rotation which you are doing is left. So that's why, so the first element you have to copy into temporary variable. Sir, what about remaining? You have to do the rotations, right? From which location we have to do the rotations? Sir, from this location itself, we have to do the rotations. Okay. Sir, for j is equal to 0. Okay, j less than a dot length minus 1, because don't move the last location, you have to skip the last. Okay, so we should not do this one, we should not touch it. Okay, so we have to touch remaining elements. So like I am taking j less than length minus 1, j plus plus. Sir, what is the instruction that you have to take? A of j will become a of j plus 1, so that what will happen? Sir, first this element will be copied to here, this element will be copied to here, this element will be copied to here, even the last element will be copied. Okay, sir, if you take a less than length, what will happen? Sir, it will take this element, it is trying to search for next element which is not there. Array index out of bound exception we will get. Okay, to avoid the time taking. Okay, to avoid the time taking. Okay, sir, now after this what we have to do? Yes, movement is completed. At last, sir, the last location you have to find out. The last location is what? That a dot length minus 1, that is the element, right? Sir, here we have to copy the value which you have taken, which is nothing but temporary variable. Sir, there ends the method. Okay, at last we have to return the array whatever you have performed. Okay. Right. Vishal, what is that? Ajit, I think yesterday also someone asked about this. Sir, it is A of 0 only. Okay, it is A of 0 only. See, when you have elements like 1, 2, 3, okay, so 4, 5, something like this, remember, listen carefully. First, we are storing the first element into the temporary variable. After rotation, what is the result that you are getting? So 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So now if you want to do one more rotation, we have to copy the first element only. Okay, so always t is equal to a of 0. Yesterday also I told very clearly, sir. We are not doing any other operations. Remember carefully, whatever task we are doing, it is with respect to the rotation. If you are doing first rotation, this has to be done. If you are using second rotation, element we should not skip. We have to do the same process again and again. Okay, right. So let us execute this code and see really is it working or not. We have to cross check. So let me do this, sir. Now I am taking Java C. So test.java I am taking. Sir, the code compiles fine. Java space test. So enter number of rotations. If you take one rotation, sir, is it moving or not? Yes, left rotation, perfectly it is working. If you take two rotations, sir, is it moving or? Yes. If you take three rotations, it is working or not? Yes. If you take four rotations also, it will work. If you take five rotations, you are going to get the original array. Okay, like this we are getting. This is the way, by using temporary variable, how we can able to solve this left rotation, sir. So hope you people got a very clear clarity about this left rotation. Can you please confirm, do you have any doubts in this? And I think better we will go with this explanation also, because some people may get confused. How it is different from first method? First method, what we are doing in the first method, sir, we are taking temporary variable and we are taking previous variable. One element we have shifting. That means temp value we are storing into the previous, that previous value we are storing into the array. But here I have taken only one temporary variable. In the same array, we are doing the rotations. We are doing the replacement. This is one of the method what we have. Methods are different, but output is same. Their separate syntax we have observed, right? Now, sir, let me demonstrate this functionality, how it is going to work. Okay, let us take this functionality, how it is going to work. I will explain with the help of a small diagram. Right. So this one is what? Left rotation. So by using temporary variable, listen carefully how it is going to work. Sir, here I am taking, so the array size n is equal to, let it be 5, and the array is nothing but I have, so 1 comma 2 comma, so 3 comma 4 comma 5, like this I am taking. And what will be the locations? The locations are nothing but, this is 0th location, first location, second location, third location, and fourth location. So consider the number of iterations. What I want to do is nothing but, sir, 2 rotations I want to take. Okay, sir, now what will happen when I is equal to 0? Sir, first rotation is going to be happened. Temp is equal to a of 0. Sir, your temporary value will become a of 0 means what? First element, which is nothing but 1. Now, sir, what we are doing? J is equal to, we will start from 0 to, sir, 0, 1, 2, 3. Sir, length minus 1. What is the length minus 1? Length is a 5. 5 minus 1 means 4. J less than 4 means up to 3 it will work, sir. Sir, what activity we are doing? Sir, we have array is there like this, right? Sir, this is 0th location, and this is the first location, and this is second location, this is third location, and this is fourth location. Sir, a of j is equal to a of j plus 1. So a of j value is 0. A of 0 is equal to a of 0 plus 1. That means 1. In first location, which element is there? That will be moved here. Sir, similarly, a of, when j is equal to 1, sir, a of 2 will become a of 1. Okay. So then when j is equal to 2, a of 3 will become a of 2. Sir, when j is equal to 3, a of 4 will become a of 3. Like this we are doing. Sir, that's all. This loop will terminate. At last, a dot length minus 1. A of a dot length minus 1. A dot length is a 5. So 5 minus 1 means 4. And a of 4 will become which value, sir? Temporary. Temporary is already assigned with 1. That value will be moved. This is rotation number 1. Now, when I is equal to 1, second rotation we have to do. Okay, sir, t is equal to, as usual, I am taking, so a of 0, which is nothing but 2. Now what will be the value of j? Sir, j is equal to 0, so 1, 2, 3 as usual, and this is nothing but a new array what we are going to get. So these are the locations what we have. Okay, and sir, what we have to do here? So a of j, that is a of 0, is equal to a of 1, that is nothing but 3. Then when j is equal to 1, a of 1 is equal to a of 2, which is nothing but 4. Sir, when j is equal to 2, a of 2 is nothing but a of 3, which is nothing but 5. Okay. Sir, when j is equal to 3, a of 3 is nothing but a of 4, which will become 1. Then, sir, what will be the next time? A of length minus 1 means, as usual, a of 4 will become temporary variable, which is nothing but 2. Like this we are getting. So these are nothing but the number of rotations. Finally, the output what we are going to get is nothing but this one, sir. Okay, this is by using temporary variable, how we can able to do the rotations. Can you please confirm, is this concept is clear for everyone? I request everyone to please respond. Is it clear? Right, sir. Sir, now we have to do the right rotation. Same, right? Almost the process is the same. Okay. So only few changes we have to do. What are those changes? Sir, here you need to take rotate right by using this temporary variable. Okay. And here also we have to take rotate right. And sir, here we have to do the right rotation. What we have to take, we need to capture the last element, a dot length minus 1, which will become last element. And this j loop also you have to reverse. So a dot length minus 1, and then so j greater than 0. Don't take greater than or equal to, because we have to ignore the last element, and j minus minus. So previously what we have done, sir, a of j is equal to next element we have copied. But here what we have to do, previous element we have to copy. That's why it will become j minus 1. And at last it is not a dot length. So we have to replace e of 0. Except that, no change at all. First I will execute the code, then I will explain with the help of diagram. So have a look once. Sir, I am giving the number of rotations is 1. Sir, have you observed, is the right rotation is performed or not? Yes, 5 became first one. Sir, now I want to do 2 rotations. Sir, like this. Sir, I want to take 3 rotations like this. I want to take 4 rotations like this. I want to take 5 rotations where we are getting the original data. Okay, like this we have, sir. Now let me explain this by taking a small diagram so that you can understand well. So let us take this one, how it is going to work. Now listen carefully. This one is nothing but what? So by using so temporary variable, which rotation this one? Right rotation. Now, sir, observe carefully, friends. Now I have n is equal to same 5 elements are there, and that list is nothing but we have so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to do only one rotation. Number of rotations is equal to 1. So I value will become only 1. Now see clearly what will happen. Sir, when I is equal to 1, sir, first task is nothing but temporary variable is nothing but a dot length minus 1. So what is the array length? So we have 5 is there. 5 minus 1 means what? 4. 0th location, first location, second location, third location, 4. Sir, fourth location element got copied. Okay. So now after this, what we have to do? Sir, next target is nothing but your j values. Sir, a dot length minus 1. A dot length is 5. 5 minus 1 means 4. Sir, I am taking 4. Okay, then it will become 3. Then it will become 2. Then it will become 1. That's all. Sir, now what about the positions? This is 0th location. This is first location. This is second location. This is third location. And this is fourth location. Observe carefully. Sir, when j is equal to 4, so your a of 4 will become, sir, a of 4 minus 1, that is 3. What is the a of 3? 4, right? That will comes under here. Okay, next j minus minus. Now for 3, a of 3 will become, so a of 2. Sir, what is a of 2 here? Sir, 3. That will come here. So then when j is equal to 2, sir, your a of 2 will become, sir, a of 2 minus 1, which is nothing but 1. Sir, this 2 will come here. Okay. So then a of 1 is equal to a of 0. That is nothing but 1 will come here. Then later Sir, what is the last instruction? A of 0 is equal to temp. Temp is 5. That will become here. Sir, if the number of rotations are 1, sir, is it correct? Yes, this is the output what we are going to get. So by using this temporary variable, how you can able to work, sir, I think it is very clear for you people, right? So can you please confirm? Okay, can you please confirm? Is this concept is clear for everyone? I request everyone to please respond. So is this left rotation and right rotation? Is these two are clear for everyone? Please confirm. Right, sir. Now, sir, we have one more method is there. What is the first method that we have seen? Brute force approach. Okay. Yeah, that's what we are doing. Vishal, there are so many methods are there. I'm explaining. Wait. Okay. Sir, first one we have seen brute force approach. Second one by taking temporary variable. Sir, what is the third one? Sir, by using by using temporary array also we can able to do. But in this we have two methods are there. Sir, by using temporary array, method one I am explaining now. Okay, by using temporary variable, method one is there. So directly I will go with the program. Sir, what we are doing in this method? Okay, what we are doing in this method? Very simple, sir. Suppose if you have array like this, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. If you have, suppose if I want to move 3 bits, okay, if I want to move 3 rotations, so then what I'm going to do is I will create an array and I will copy these 3 elements into that array. Okay, so then I will perform this movement like 4, 5, I will move, and whatever positions that we are getting, I will copy from here so that it will become 1, 2, 3. How simple it is. Okay, we are creating one temporary array with the size of whatever size that we have given, I mean that number of rotations. With that I'm going to create an array, and I will copy those 2 values or 3 values or 4 values or 1 value into the temporary array. And as usual I will do the shifting operation. At last, sir, I'm going to copy the every content into A. Like this we can do. Suppose if it is a right shift, sir, I want to shift only 2 bits. Then what I'm going to do, I will create an array, sir, with 4 and then 5, these 2 elements. Sir, now this array, what I'm going to do, sir, I'm going to move this array here. Okay, I'm going to move this array here. So like this, it will become first 2 positions will be empty. Okay, so first 2 bit, sir, is it correct? I think it is wrong, right? Left rotation, whenever you are doing 3 rotations, it will become 4, 5, 1. Is it correct? Yeah. So when you are doing right rotation, when n is equal to 3, sir, we are going to get 1, 2 at last. Okay, so that 1, 2 whatever we are taking, it should become last. Just 1 minute, I'm getting confusion here. Yeah, this one is wrong, I think so. This one is wrong, right? So we have to copy. Mhm. I'm getting confused. Wait 1 minute, sir. So consider the array what I have is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. Sir, I want to do left rotation. If you want to do left rotation, we have to give the number of elements. For example, if I'm giving 2 elements, so these 2 elements, I'm going to store it in a separate variable, which will become 1 and then 2. Okay, so which will become 1 and then 2. Sir, next what we have to do? Sir, we have to shift the remaining elements like so 3 is going to come here, 4 is going to come here, 5 is going to come here, and these two values we have to insert at the last. Like this, by using temporary variable, we can able to solve. Sir, is it correct for left rotation? Let us cross check here. Sir, this is the left rotation. Okay, so when you want to shift the number of bits as a 2, this is nothing but output what we are getting. Sir, is it correct? Yes, sir. Sir, when we want to do right rotation, okay, right rotation. So let us consider I want to do 2 bits. Sir, these 2 bits you have to copy. That means we need to create one temporary array to hold this 4 and then 5. Okay, sir, after this, what we have to do? Sir, we need to bring this 4 and 5 to the beginning. So that means what? Sir, these values we have to shift. So 1, 2, 3, and here these two values will become 4 and then 5. So here we have to insert this. Okay, so here you can able to see if you are doing 2 rotations, sir, it will become 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Like this, we have to create, sir, one extra array. Okay, sir, what is the size of the array? It is nothing but depending on number of rotations. Okay, sir, please confirm, is the theory concept is clear for everyone? Correct, Vishal. Right. So first let me implement the algorithm, then we will see the program. I mean, first we will see. Sir, rotate left time taking. Okay, rotate left time taking by using temporary variable method 1. Okay, by using temporary variable method 1. Okay, so here also rotate left. Okay, rotate left, sir, by using temporary variable method 1. Like this I am taking. Sir, what we are doing in this method? Very simple, sir. Your R value is as usual R percentage A dot length. Next, sir, the required variables are nothing but I, J. Okay, N is also required. My N is nothing but the number of elements. Okay, so I'm creating one temporary array here with how many elements? The number of rotations. Suppose if you are doing one rotation, I'm going to create an array with one. If I'm taking two rotations, I'm creating an array with two. Okay, sir, here I'm taking for I is equal to 0, I less than number of rotations, I plus plus, I am copying the array elements with, so A of I, because we are doing left rotation, so if you have elements like this, sir, I want to rotate two numbers, means what we have to do? I am creating one temporary array, okay, with the number of rotations, 2, right? So this 0th element will be copied to this one, and this element is copied to here. Like this I am doing first activity. Sir, okay, fine. After this, what is the next one? Sir, for I is equal to the number of rotations, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, I am taking, sir, a of I minus r. A of I minus r will become a of I. Like this I am taking. So what is this? Yeah, like this I am taking. Sir, what is this operation? Very simple. So just now I explained, right? If you have 1 comma 2, sir, 3 comma 4 comma 5, if number of rotations are is equal to 2, sir, we are going to create an array where it is going to copy these elements. So this is the operation of this particular thing. Sir, after this, what I am doing? So I is equal to r. R means what? 2. So I is equal to 2. N value is what? 5, right? Sir, up to less than n. That means 2, 3, 4. Sir, when I is equal to 2, I am creating a new array. I mean, I think existing array only we are doing. So already we have some elements are there. So let us take directly. So this is nothing but 1, 2, 3. So 4, 5. Like this, we have already elements are there. So these are the locations what we have. Now a of I minus r, that means a of I value is 2. 2 minus r means what? R value is 2. 2 minus 2 will become 0. Sir, a of 0 will become a of 2. Sir, what is the a of 2 value? This one, right? This one I am bringing to here. Okay, so then a of, sir, when I is equal to 3, sir, a of 3 minus 2 will become a of 1, which will become a of 3. Sir, what is the a of 3 value? 4. This value I am bringing to here. Sir, next a of, sir, 2 will become, so a of 4 minus 2 means 2, a of 4. Sir, what is the a of 4 value here? A of 4 is nothing but 5, that I am moving here. So that means what? Just these three elements got shifted to the positions. Now what we have to do? You need to append these two here. We have to append these two here. Sir, nothing but I will write one more for that. Okay. Now see what will happen. Sir, how to write that loop is nothing but a of, so I plus n minus r. If you take like this, then it is going to copy the temporary values. Sir, here the values are I is nothing but 0 and 1 because we have given only two rotations. When I is equal to 0, what will happen? A of, so 0 plus, so 5 minus number of rotations is 3. That is 5 minus 3, 5 minus 2 means 3. So now that A of 3 will be occupied with temp temp of I. I value is what? 0, right? So temp of 0 will become 1. This one. Sir, next A of I plus I value will become 1. So 1 plus 5 minus 2. That means 6 minus 2, which will become 4. So your A of 4 will become I is equal to 1. This value. Like that, we are going to get a shifting, sir. I think you got very clear clarity. For I is equal to 0, I less than the number of rotations, I plus plus. What activity I am doing here? A of I plus n minus r will become that temporary array of I. That's all, sir. So finally, we have to return that array. So automatically that rotation is going to be happened. Let us check really is it happening or not. Okay, sir, I am executing this code. Java C test.java I am taking Java space test. As you can able to see, if the number of rotations is 1, sir, is it moving or not? Sir, 2 rotations. Is it moving or not? Sir, 3 rotations. Yes, perfect. Sir, 4 rotations. Yes, perfect. Sir, 5 rotations. Like this it is working. This is the way how you can able to rotate the bits, sir, by using this temporary array in method 1. Okay. So hope you people got very clear clarity about this. Can you please confirm? Do you have any doubts up to this, sir? Everyone? What is the role of third for loop? Swapnil, here the role of first for loop is nothing but to create elements for this temporary array, because how many digits you are rotating, that values we are moving. The second for loop is nothing but shifting purpose. Okay. And the third for loop is nothing but after shifting, so whatever values are there in that temporary array, we have to move right for that purpose. Clear? Sir, I request everyone to please confirm. Is the concept is clear? Right, sir. Now, sir, what is our next thing? Just we have seen only which rotation? Left rotation. Now we have to do a right rotation for this. Okay, we have to do right rotation for this. Let us see how you can able to do in the right rotation. Okay, let's talk about right rotation. Let us talk about right rotation. Sir, what I am going to do here? So rotate right I am taking. Okay, so left right rotation I'm taking. Sir, here we have to go for rotate right. Okay, rotate right. Like this I am taking. Next, what activity we have to do here? Okay. Sir, all the things are same, I think so. Everything is the same. Temporary array is also same, but we should not copy this A of right. So we have to take n minus r plus 1. That means a reverse operation we have to do. And here same n minus r minus 1. Okay, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. I will explain this, don't worry. So next, a of I plus r, a of I plus r will become a of I. Then for I is equal to 0, I less than r, sir, your a of I will become temp. Sir, I will explain this just with the help of a diagram. Listen carefully. So consider, sir, I have an array is there like this, where 1 2 3 4 5 like this I have. Sir, I want to shift 3 bits. So that means your n value will become 5. The number of rotations are 3. That means it will create an array with how many values? 3 values. Those 3 values are nothing but, sir, which rotation I am doing? A right rotation. That means we have to take the right values and we have to move. Okay. Sir, these right values will become 3, 4, 5. Like this I am taking. Sir, these locations are 0, 1. So here these locations are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So now let us see how these shifts are going to. Here, this first loop already we executed for this purpose. Second for loop, sir, I is equal to, okay. So I'm going to create a new array here. Okay. This is 0th location, first location. So second location, third location, and fourth location. Like this we have. Listen carefully. Sir, a of, okay, I is equal to n minus r minus 1. N value is what? 5. Sir, 5 minus 3. That means 2. 2 minus 1. That means 1. Okay. Sir, 1 greater than or equal to 0 means we have only 2 rotations. I is equal to 0. I is equal to 1. These 2 values we have to fill. Sir, a of I plus r. I value is 1. R value is 3. Sir, 1 plus 3 means what? 1 plus 3 will become 4. So your A of 4 will become A of 1. Sir, what is the A of 1 value? 2, right? That will become A of 4. Okay. Then, sir, A of I plus R. When I is equal to 0, 0 plus 3, that will become 3. So which will become A of 0. What is the A of 0 value? 1. This value I am bringing to this. So that these two values to here, just based on these conditions, sir. Now this array, entire array we have to get back here. So for this purpose we are using this loop. I is equal to 0, I less than r. R value is 3. That means 0, 1, 2, 3 times. So a of I, a of 0 will become temp of 0, which is nothing but 3. So a of 1 will become temp of 1. So a of 2 will become temp of 2. That's all. So this is nothing but how it is going to work. Okay. Right. Sir, please confirm, is this concept is clear for everyone? First, let me execute this code. Really, is it working or not? We have to cross check. Sir, enter number of rotations. 1 minute, 1 minute. Somewhere the problem is there. So some new integer of r, I is equal to 0, I plus plus. So here temp of I will become n minus r plus 1. So I is equal to n minus r minus 1. I greater than 0, I minus minus. E of I plus 1 is equal to E of I is equal to 0, I less than E of I is equal. Correct only, right? Anywhere the mistake? Not 1 here. It is I. Now, sir, 1 rotation. Sir, is it performing or? Yes. 2 rotations. Yes, perfect. 3 rotations. What we have done now. Okay. Sir, 4 rotations. 5 rotations. Even it will work for 6 rotations. 1 bit it will take because of this formula. Okay, sir, clear up to this? Do you have any doubt on this? Yes, please confirm everyone. Is this concept is clear for everyone? Please confirm any doubts up to this. If everything is clear, we will go with the next approach. Please confirm any doubts up to this. Right. So this is nothing but what we have, sir. Okay. Anyway, there are few more methods are there. Those methods we will discuss in our upcoming classes. Okay. These methods we will discuss in our upcoming classes. That is tomorrow's session. Okay. Right, sir. So thank you. We will meet for the continuation tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, I will update that images and running notes. Thank you.